Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Epic Games keeps crashing. Alright, let's begin. If your Epic Games launcher keeps crashing, freezing, or won't open, there are a few fixes you can try. First, close any background apps that might be causing conflicts. From your desktop, click the arrow in the bottom right corner to show hidden icons. Right-click each app like Riot Vanguard, Google Chrome, or CC Cleaner and select Exit. Once done, try opening Epic Games again. Next, ensure your Windows system is up to date. Type Update in the search box, click Check for Updates, and install any available updates. Restart your PC to apply changes. If the problem persists, locate the Epic Games Launcher shortcut or search for it in the taskbar. Right-click the app, choose Open File Location, then right-click again and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as administrator, click Apply and OK, then run the launcher. You can also enable compatibility mode and disable full-screen optimizations for better results. So that's basically how you can fix Epic Games keeps crashing. That's it for this video. Thanks.